In this video, I would like to show you the different types of caps, wall caps that we make here in Davie, Florida. The first size I would like to show you is a 3-inch thick, 14.5 wide and 4 feet long piece that perfectly imitates the real natural keystone or coral stone tiles. Textures are exactly the same and it can be installed in any wall, and this one is gonna give you an overhang enough for stone veneer as well. The next size is the 12-inch by 4 feet, 3-inch in thickness. This one is also very good for walls. This cap is not as wide as the other one because this one is made for thin veneers or stucco, and it's gonna give you an inch and a half overhang. The next size for a wall cap is also a keystone, but this one is 2-inch in thickness and 24-inch in length. This one is gonna give you every 2 feet a joint, but you can put it together and you are not gonna have a seamless installation on the wall cap as well. This one is good for stone on one side, and it's also gonna give you enough overhang on each side. Style and size is the chiseled edge wall cap. This one has chiseled edges on each side, all 4 sides, and then a stone texture on the top. This can be made any color to match the stone or brick veneers on your wall. We can make this in 2 sizes. This is in 2-inch in thickness and 10-inch in width and 20 inches in length. And the other one is 12 by 20 by 2 inches in thickness. The next option you can use as a wall cap is a 12 by 12 cap that you can use, and you're gonna see some joints. This is perfect for curved walls because you can make the radius much easier. The next wall cap I wanted to show you is our polished concrete wall cap. We make 2 sizes. This is 5 feet in length. We have a 12-inch and a 14.5-inch and 2-inch in thickness. As you can see, these wall caps can be cut to any size. This is a 2.5 feet by 14.5 inch in width, and then it's a 2-inch thick cap that obviously gonna have a joint in every 2.5 feet. The next product I wanted to show you is our pier cap or column caps, which we make in several sizes. This one is a slightly pyramidal 3-inch thick 25 by 25 inch cap, but we can make this in any color, and this is perfect for 24-inch or 20-inch piers or column.